Okay guys, so let me tell you, this video is not scripted or I did not even think of making this video. I'm just sharing my experience with you. This is how they greet you. It is said that all the god and goddesses resides in cow's soul, and worshipping a cow daily is equal to worship of 33 crores Hindu gods. Lord Krishna, known as a protector of cow, he grew up as a cow herder, also known as Bal Gopal and Govinda. There are various remedies related to cows that can help you overcome many astrological issues. Well, I'm not into astrology, so it will be difficult for me to talk about it. But if you're interested, please research on it. I'm sure you will get to know about a lot of benefits related to it. For me, feeding a cow is a way to inner peace, and that's what matters, right? So cows like dal khichdi. This is a new thing I got to know today. Hey, hi. So if you're wondering what was that, where did I take you just now? So that's called Gaushala, cow shed. I don't know if you're aware of it or not, but this is a place I love the most. I just go there so often, especially when it's some special day or when I'm in mess.
when I don't understand what is supposed to be done, when I just go blank. So this phase comes in everyone's life where you just go blank. You have a lot of things in your mind, you have so many things running in your mind, but you're in mess and you just don't know what has to be done. You have no clue what's happening around. That time you should do something you love the most. Okay, you can sit for meditation, but what happens sometimes, मंजिल पता है but रास्ता थोड़ा मिल जाए ना तो चीजें easy हो जाती है. By doing these small things, if you get peace of mind, if you get happiness, so why not? And you know what? Just look at their faces, as if they call you. So I just love all that. One more thing, I can't touch them. I can't touch any animal with their softy, mau skin. Something happens to me, so I can't do that. You can touch them. You can just feed them, like you can keep it in your hand and you can just feed them like that. I can't do that. I can't do that. But yeah, you should do that and you can do that. It's up to you. And I tell you one more thing. They don't need us. Like, if we are not feeding them, someone else will come and feed them. So they don't actually need us, but we need them. Trust me on that. When you feed them, you get some sort of satisfaction, So yeah, this was just a message I wanted to give you. There is nothing in this video. I don't know how would you take this video as, because this video is just not scripted. I didn't even think that I'll ever make this kind of video ever on my channel. But I'm just sharing my experience with you. I don't know if you like it or not. Even if you're not liking it, you can just ignore it. But if you have 10 minutes also in your life, like maybe if you could just go once a week or once a month or maybe once in 2 months, just for 10 minutes, go there, you will understand. You will actually understand what peace I'm talking about. So yeah, that's it. That's it for today. I'm gonna catch you soon with something really interesting. Till then, stay tuned. Bye.